You screw my seat? See, now it's not down like it was. I was trying to show all the way down. Now you're all the way up again. Hey, you're losing my bracket here.
Yeah, but you got to show these.
Oh, those. Okay, we put those on there.
Because they were mismatched before.
So we got 4 springs. We got 2 sets of Harley springs, 4-inch, 5-inch. And then we got 2 sets of saw springs, 4-inch, 5-inch. So I like the height here because that's what I set the seat for. Coming down. So this is what I put the seat angle at with my 5-inch spring. So I like that. So the extra tension here keeps me from bottoming out the spring. Whereas the short spring here was bottoming out. So this one I wasn't really bottoming out, it was maxing out. So it should be good weight for her. It'll still bottom out with a big hit, but it takes a pretty good hit. So we're going to use this. Now our pivot point is still wrong. It looks great right now, but when you collapse the spring it gets worse. So try to bend this forward now, again.
You want to sit on it? So you can see it?
They already saw how I did it before.
Oh.
So just bend it forward, get it past that bolt. You just push on it. Did I get your finger? So I just push.
That's why I'm not touching anything.
I'm dangerous. So you can see the pivot point now is no longer here, it's here. But the seat wasn't this far because he said it was up higher. He had like 3 fingers in here, 4 fingers.
Yeah.
When it was bottom.
When you were bottoming, yeah.
So that means we got to come back about 1/3 of the distance. So.
But the spring was like bent.
Yeah, it had a big S bend in it. So we're going to make a bracket that moves the pivot point, or I mean the bolt point, forward, but not the width of this, just 2/3 the width. Look out, I'm dangerous.
Yeah, I'm over here.
Good, it's a good spot.
So, whatever this piece you're going to add here has to clear this.
Basically, we're going to take this, we're going to weld a bar here.
Right.
And we just have to determine how far we want to go. So this is the washer that we have, that we're using. So this is smaller than the height of this. See, this is about 2/3 the width.
Yeah.
The diameter. So we need to come out that far. We need to move the bolt hole forward to here. So
I would use the thinner piece.
So it needs to sit right here. So our washer is going to be right up against that frame.
Right, but you can trim the washer,
which is going to help us on our pivot point, because now instead of trying to rip that out, it's going to hit against the frame here, as well as be bottomed out here. So that's going to help our pivot.
Okay.
Because see, I hit the frame right here. So I'm good with that right there. So we're going to make a couple of these.
So you got to, what are you going to shave?
I'm going to use.
Piece or leave the,
I'm going to use this piece right here.
Oh, there you go.
They got the hole in the right spot. Look at that. See, it's right in the right spot. So I'm going to go grind that off and cut it. And we're going to make it like that. That's what we're going to do. And we got an engine in too. Alright, so I need to make 2 of these. So that is this material here. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these. I'm just going to duplicate the same thing right there. I'll put a hole right there. And drill press. And go bing, boom, boom. Then I got to grind that a little bit to match. I need a felt tip to use. Thought I brought a felt tip down. Let me leave my door open. Door's closed. That's how you fix the door.
Who fixed the door?
I did.
What, by slamming it?
No, I made it unlockable.
Oh.
Now it unlocks. See, now the door's unlocked. You can go in and out now.
Gotcha.
Because you like going in and out. I'm going to go over here and make some noise. Do you like noise?
No, I brought my earbuds this time.
You got earbuds. You got earbuds. Alright, here, you can hold the camera though.
Yeah.
We'll do a camera shot right here. How's that? Is that a good shot? Can we see good?
Where are we?
Camera's over there.
No, I know, but where are we here?
I'm going to be working over here.
Okay.
See that air leak right there? I got the cure for that right here. Fix the air leak.
Okay.
It's leaking. You know?
I'm going over there.
Yeah, good. Say you fix the air leak. That was 180 pounds coming out of there. All right. See, this is more video friendly over here.
Oh,
You can sit down on the job and film,
I know how to do this part.
just like you do it at work, right? Okay, I'm gonna put a hole right through here. What size hole is that? It's this size. Ooh, I'm missing a bunch of drills. There's 3/8 right there.
Well, why wouldn't you use the other part of that same bracket?
With this one?
Yeah.
Because I got to cut this off somehow. So I'm going to use Fred's cutoff saw to cut it.
Oh, those two match anyways?
Because I don't want to cut the hacksaw. I don't want to hacksaw it off.
Oh, they match. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, I don't feel like hacksawing that off twice.
Same thickness and everything.
I can hold it here and I can do one cut, but I can't do two cuts. So, plus this way I can make them exactly the same by going like this and plugging the hole right through it. We already got a sample. So you got to put the hole over here so you don't drill your table, see? So you do that. See, that's been done before. See those holes? Yeah, it does zoom up here, you know.
No, no.
Okay, we are in slow speed. I'm going to go a little faster than slow. I'm going to put it in second gear. So I'm going to kind of hold that right there where I want it to be. Hopefully it'll keep the thing around the money. See, right on the money. Duplicated. So you get more leverage without working hard, you have to stand back. See, I'm pulling here and my elbow at the same time. So it's almost no work for me. Whereas this way here, I gotta go like this. See how hard that is? Yeah. You don't pay attention to what you're doing. This way, it doesn't take much effort to do it. The drill keeps me going though. You don't want to go backwards, go forward. That's not dangerous, was it? I think there's a missing counterboard somewhere over there. Maybe a drill or two. The drill. Oh, you broke it. See where the counterboard went?
The what?
The counterboard? Sharpening tool? I think it's
No.
shot over there on the floor somewhere. My deburring tool. My radius tool. It went that way. Yep, that's the guy. Fancy, huh?
Oh, we should all have one of those.
It's a burr for doing grinding. Well, it's good for the best deburring tool out there, though. It's a nice, good radius finish. Way better than a countersink.
You still got to cut that one, right?
Cut what?
Cut that into a smaller bracket.
Problem with that is it leaves a burr on the inside of the hole. Alright, take the burrs off. So, they look pretty equal. It's not 100% though, see it's off a little bit. See the edge right there? Looks pretty close. Okay, now, what do we do with our washer? I think we left it someplace. There's a washer right here. Is that the missing washer? It might be. So we go right here. See that? Put your tools away when you're done.
Always.
Alright. This one's coarse, that one's fine. Get some drinking water. Might have a little iron in it.
Little.
Just a little. So this one goes backwards or forwards, so I can either cut on this side or this side.
Well, I'm not going to stand here.
I'll cut on this side then.
You want safety glasses?
Yeah. What?
Safety glasses.
I don't need it.
Don't do this at home. He's a trained professional.
There's no sparks coming my way.
Okay.
They're going all different directions, but not this way. Now, if I was standing over here, I'd need them, but I'm standing back here.
What about the other half?
Well, if I flip it over, I can't see the mark.
Right. Oh, so you got a kicker.
Might be hot. See, no sparks. I didn't get any sparks. Did you get any sparks?
No.
Good. You're in a safe spot. See, if you're standing down here, you'll probably got some sparks. You're way up there.
Yeah, I don't know. What's burning?
What, you? Me? Hair on my arms? Might be some sparks in them. Alright, so we got these kind of cut. So I'm going to blow them off a little bit so I can see what's going on. Might be some fumes in the shop now too.
A little bit.
Okay, so now we take our washer, which I threw in my pocket. You look at what you got. You say, damn, I need some more cutting. Okay. It's not good. See how it's not round, that is?
Yeah.
So I got a couple more. See, that one has a flat spot too. So we can either leave them a little bit out around or we can fix them. So I think we should fix them. So I'm going to fix it. It's only steaming a little bit. Notice how this one's hotter than that one when I grind it? Did you notice how when I put it on the wrong side, it blew up my face? There you go. Cleanse your hands off. See, this one
Okay,
only goes,
washer test.
this one only goes one direction. This goes both ways, which is more I like better. It's probably always did I like about that one. Pretty close. Copy.
Hold on. There you go. Oh, so nice.
This one's hotter. A little bit ground, a little bit too much, but it's all right. So I gotta cut these off with another cutter. You got a grinder for that?
I don't know. I'm sure you do.
A lot of fumes back here. Seems like somebody's grinding in the shop. I wonder who that was. All right. No rag around here either. Where's the rag at? I need a rag.
Oh, my ex-wife's not here.
Found a rag. That's a hag, not a rag.
Oops, sorry.
It's a difference.
My bad.
There's a difference in those two. Okay, so if we go all the way until we hit the frame, that's as far as we can go.
Sharpie?
I had one once. Okay, so if you butt that up against there, we go all the way until we hit. Pull back a little bit. It's almost dead straight, look at that. So it's going to hit up against that. Where's our spring? Our spring's being used. We have a stand-in, like that. Get a bolt. Get a bolt. Okay, so that's right on the edge. Put that on there. See how we're going to hit against the frame?
Mm-hmm.
If we rotate over there, it won't hit as much, see? If I put this on the correct side, which I didn't do correctly. Move you up a little bit. Gives you a little clearance. Now where's our spring at? See, look at how the spring's going to be right now. Camera. See, the front is the lowest spot, which is this way. So it's going to sit like this on the bike. So you're going flush. So depending on how you want the spring to hit on the frame, we can go back and forth a little bit this way or that way. So we're laying on the frame right there, full forward, but the spring's going to come down and hit that a little bit right there when it collapses all the way down.
I don't think she'll get that far.
So if we pull back just a little bit, a little more support, the bracket will work harder, so we just go right to there, it'll be fine.
You gonna mark it?
I did mark it once. It's on the other side. How'd that happen? I want to have a nice good bead on that thing. I'm going to weld the snot out of that thing. So that's our maximum number. And pull back just a little bit. So it's almost the same. Look at that. This one's cut shorter than that one. This one's a little bit further forward. What I didn't look is where the bolt was at. See the spring's moving in a little bit? I actually have to move the spring out a little bit. That'll change that number over there quite a bit. See? See, I was going flush over here. Spring's going to be over here. So that changes our number by a lot over here, where it can be and it can't be.
Mm-hmm.
So now we got a big gap there. So now we don't have a problem. We want the washer. We need the washer to be almost all the way. So we go with the longer the 2 dimensions. So I'm going to go with that dimension there. Okay. So, not this one. This one. The only problem is we're going to be seeing this one, not this one. Alright. So, we want from the edge of the hole 1 inch. We can see that with the grinder really good. Put 1 inch on it, cut it. Perfect. I like even numbers, that's easy.
And we'll do this side too?
Go 1 inch.
Okay.
I gotta get Fred's tool out. Fred left his tool in here.
Should I cut this or keep going?
I don't care.
Or does it ruin your... You don't edit, right?
I don't edit nothing. Put the door up.